Alright, let's draw Tom and Jerry cartoon. So first we're going to start from the head. Just draw a round circle like this one. Okay, so it has a ear on that side and another ear on this side. Awesome. And circle comes up here. And then we are going to draw the nose. Alright, so nose is like this. Then you can see the eye, so two eye on both sides. Okay, and another eye here. These are the details for the face, and you can see the spot on the nose. Now draw a line for the hand. You can see the hand, and this is the body. Hands on other side. Okay, this is going to be the leg, and which is just mixing with the tail. Awesome. So after drawing the whole thing, we're going to put the colors. Okay, so this is another leg, and you can see the feet. Awesome. So looks like it's walking on the ground. Okay, now we're going to use the crayons to put the color. Let's put black color for all over the surface. Good thing about crayon is that if you just put your fingertips like this one, then you can have a uniform shape for all over the body. For this mixing purpose, you can also use the blending stone, or if you don't have any other instruments, just you can use fingertips like me. Then you can have a very nice shade. All right, so for the other portion we're putting another color. Okay, same color to the chest, to the mouth, and to the ears. All right, and this is the ground. All right, making the ground little bold. Okay, putting other color to the end of the tail, so that's a different combinations. All right. Okay, so there's the color, and the Tom and Jerry cartoon. This is the character Jerry, and the drawing, it looks nice. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.